going to try and be as positive and upbeat as I can for this lesson. I don't know about you guys, but our house has been filled with music that Taylor's been involved with over the years. And I thought we'd look at Cold Day in the Sun because it's one that he sings on and obviously plays drums on. So given Taylor radiated so much warmth and positivity through seemingly everything that he did, I thought this would be a nice tribute. And if you want an unbelievable version of this, a really great vocal performance too, go and check out the bare bones version of this. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So the first riff goes like this. And then you're into the verse. Okay, so lovely stuff. Not terribly difficult either. Okay, standard tuning. And we've got second finger on the 3rd fret on the A, C, and you're going to play that and then 2 open strings. Then you go to the F sharp, which is the 2nd fret on the E, and that actually holds out for 2 8th notes. Same for the next one. You're going to play a G chord. So you play. Okay, so you're basically going to a full G chord, but you play. I'm just catching the D and G string there before I hit the full G chord on the downstroke, right? And then up, down, up. And this is strummy throughout. A lot of the accents are going to be on the upbeat for the verse part, but just bear in mind that it's quite a strummy acoustic tune, okay, once you get into the meat and potatoes. So that again. And when you play that bit, that gives you enough time to plant the rest of your fingers down to fill out that G chord, right? Next part's the same. But I think you hear 4 strums rather than 3. Again, don't worry too much, but that's what I've tabbed out. And then the 3rd time, it branches off into F, so you'll get. And then back into. And then it builds up into the verse part, right? So that variance goes down to the 1st fret. And you do 3 open strings there. And then back around. And then you've got this. Okay? Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then we're into the verse part. At its core, the verse part is this. Okay, and round again. It basically follows that intro, but with full chords, right? But you can just plant your 3rd and 4th fingers there on the 3rd fret on the B and E, right? So the top part of the G chord. But, you know, these fingers are going to move about, and that's your 1st and 2nd fingers. So the one thing to note, though, is that the first time round, it goes back into the C add 9 early. It goes in like an 8th note early, so on the 4 and. So that would be like this. There, right? So it's just before the beat, so watch out for that. It doesn't really matter if you miss that and hit it on the beat, but if you want to play it, you know, exactly as they do, that's what they do. So and here you're on the beat, right? Because I've done, and that's back on the first beat, and this time again on the beat. You do that. Okay, so let's just break that down quickly. You've got, and again, I've just tabbed, but there's going to be incidental stuff because you really want to keep this right hand playing down and up, okay? So let's do it slowly. Hopefully that's enough for you to nail that part. Then we go into the chorus, which is A minor to D. Again, you change on the forehand to go from the A minor to the D. And that rhythm goes... and you're done. So that slowly is just down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. That's what you change to the D. And then you got this fill. So you hold the chord while you play. Okay. It's a very classic rock thing to do on the D chord, right? So again, 3, 4. So you're going to play upstroke, up, down. Then second finger off, back on, little finger on, little finger off, second finger off, and then back on again for the last two. So slowly. And around twice, okay? Then you're back into that bit. All right, so go around that again and the chorus again. Then I think it goes into the bridge part, which is just played around twice, but you're going to play G to F to E minor to D. Each of those plays for 2 bars. So with this rhythm, 3, 4. Right, so notice that I'll be taking my fingers off completely and still strumming, so you'll hear some open strings there as I change. The rhythm's the same throughout, but it's a 2-bar rhythmic phrase, and that goes down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, right, etc. So you're going to play. There I take my fingers off and change to the F. And you can play a bar chord there, or thumb over the top, whichever's comfy for you really. So again, that would be... off again, then you go to the E minor, to the D, and there's another one of those little fills at the end, right? So that would be... and back around, okay? So that fill slowly is just... and back around. So one more time around the whole thing. Then going into the solo part, it goes from a C to a D. You've got an extra little couple of chords, and that goes like this. Okay, so that again. Okay, just like that, with that rhythm. Now, the solo comes in over the part of that D with that. So you're going to play 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is all pretty straightforward pentatonic stuff. You're going to play... That's the first part of the solo. Straightforward enough, it's just the D string open to the 2nd fret. G string open. You play that same note again. And that's the... Right, the backing is that. Okay, it's the verse riff. And then you tag on the top part of a G chord, okay? So that again slowly. 1, 2, 3. Then the next bar goes... which is lovely in country rock. So you've got 2, 0, 2, 4. Then down... with this. As per the tab, right, I won't call out all the notes. And then the last part just goes like this. 3, 4, 1. And then you've got 2 bars of G. I think it goes back into the chorus then. So that part is just, and that again, it's the sort of 2nd pentatonic shape really. You know, all that good stuff. So slowly. It comes in on the 1 and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You've got a little half step bend on the 5th fret there. And the next bar goes... At least that's how I'm playing it. I think it sounds nice with open strings. So 3, 5, 3, 5. Take your first finger off. And those are just open, and then we've got 2 bars of G there. Right, so let me play through the whole solo and then we're good. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that one, and I hope you're doing alright. Cheers, see you soon.